Good morning, my friends. This is VJ Franz K, and we are doing a quick unboxing of the z017 Chrome handheld microphone. It is a super cardioid version of their newly popular V7 microphone, and I was interested to get one of these and start using it just because people have favorably compared it to the classic SM58 microphone from Shure. Everyone has used those, and so it's good to try other things. I also am a big fan and user of the, let's see, here it is. Right now I'm using my headphone mic from Audio-Technica. They put it in a lot of bubble wrap to keep it safe. This is a premium edition which costs just a little bit more. Not much. Microphones, you could spend a lot of money on the really professional ones, but here we have, it's still within the affordable range. Look at that. Isn't it a beauty? Chrome on the handle and chrome on the grill. And what is unusual about this microphone usually is it has a red color under the grill because the shock mount, or I mean the internal popper stopper made of foam is red, so it gives it unusual red look and definitely different. But wow, look at this shiny chrome surface. That's going to be great to use. Yes, I am going to plug it in. I'm not just going to sit here talking about it, the way it looks. And well, here is the other microphones in the family. There is that slight red color. So they have at least these three colors. There's even more on the website, I noticed. But this one is a super cardioid, which is good. We're often going to record or jam or do things in a noisy area or something like that. The beats may be loud or something when we are performing, or sometimes it is fun to just record with, sometimes it's just fun to record with the speakers playing fully loud on. All right, let's try it. I'm sort of at a loss for words, but I'm going to fade it in right here for the first time. Let's hear it. Fade in, fade in, fade in, fade in. I've got to make sure I have selected it. Have selected it there. That's coming through. Interesting. Notice that it has much more low end. I'm going to have to boost it on the settings over here. I'm using MPC Live 3, which is something that we'll be using a lot for performances, so it makes sense for me to try it on this first. You can already hear how see, we'll turn up the preamp a bit, turn up the preamp a little bit, turn up the preamp a little bit. That's perhaps too much. There we go. Nice loud signal coming into the thing. You can hear I'm going to move. See, that's overloading it too close. To move it over a little bit. Unlike some of the modern purchasers of, unlike some of the modern buyers of microphones, I do really like the proximity effect. In fact, that's the way I normally use my microphones, is very close, as you can tell from my sort of vocal announcer type of style. See, I'm going to add a compressor. You know what? Actually, I shouldn't add a compressor or anything. I'll just leave that preamp up very high, so you can truly hear the sound of it. It is good. It's a very full sound. Let's see what else is in this box while I'm talking on the mic. Nicely, they have included a mount for the mic. It is a bit wider than your standard handheld mic, so I guess it's still just a standard mic holder branded with SE here. Yeah, this is my first SE mic. Oh, look, interesting. I guess this is probably that internal windscreen to switch out if I want to have that red microphone look also. What is this? Perhaps a cleaning cloth. And I think the chrome will be easier to clean, but it is also probably true that it would have more possibility for fingerprinting and smudging, so you may have to polish the surface of it more often. Here is the standard pleather style microphone bag. Good to include that. And that is all needs to be. Do not eat silica gel desiccant, which of course is something that absorbs moisture, so it won't get corrupted in a very humid climate. So I'm liking it so far. It's a nice microphone. It seems a bit heavier than my usual microphone. But that's okay. You know, maybe the chrome adds a little bit of extra weight. I thought they do have a version with a switch on there, but I usually do not use microphones with a switch simply because it is easy to forget that they are not switched on when you want to use them. They also have another model with a push-to-talk switch included, and I will probably, I don't know, I could see myself using that in a performance or something when only I'm going to be using it, but other people may not be used to that idea, and I would have to sort of get myself used to it also. But it could be good, as we say, in situations where we think there's a lot of feedback. So I guess I should do the professional microphone testing thing and do the off-axis test here on the microphone. So I'm going to do that. Let's see, we'll move. So here is directly facing the microphone, and then I'll slowly turn it away, 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 facing completely different side, turn it again towards me, turn it again towards me, turn it again towards me. You know what? I'm going to like this super cardioid. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good that it It has a very good directionality to it, and it's going to reject signals off to the side where we do not need them. And obviously, when you're using lots of effects like we do, it's very good to have off-axis rejection. Oh, all right. So the instrument that I see near me is the singing bowl that I've been using recently. So I'll just try ringing the singing bowl with it. And I'll wish you all some good luck, good karma. So, of course, when using the singing bowl, it is easy to get a lot of treble overload, but I can tell that this microphone is not, it doesn't have the treble overload that some mics do, including my headphone microphone. So it's like a baritone vocalist like myself will it's like we need something that will pick up the bass within our voice, because that is a major part of it. Of course, it has to have enough treble for the intelligibility factor there also. But all right, and so far I like the sound of it. This is going to be a great microphone for my recording. We'll see how it sounds on the female voice very soon, and we're going to get more features. Going to do some music recording tonight, and thank you very much for watching.